So I'm going to tell you, I am very, very not tapped into the world of F1. At least the who knows and who knows what side of things, but I love the actual racing of it. And I will admit, the Netflix show was good, whether you think it brought in the wrong fans or whatever. But as of right now, as I'm reading this, the rumor or whatever you want to call it of Sergio Perez leaving Red Bull is huge, especially considering I think he's got 2 years on his contract or whatever. But as I'm reading this from Planet F1, the rumor is that at the Mexican Grand Prix, he could announce his retirement at the end of this year. Maybe, maybe. And if you read through this, blah, 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 apparently they're looking at Oscar Piastri from McLaren. And if you take all these rumors to be true, whatever you want to call it, uh, it's apparently so real that McLaren has told their reserve driver, Gabriel Bortoleto, yeah, to not join Audi F1. And if you got to take everything with a grain of salt. If that's true, that McLaren actually thinks that Piastri could be enticed to going over to Red Bull and be I guess you'd have to call him the number two. Like, at the moment where you have Lando and him supposedly both being number one drivers, if he moves over to Red Bull and Verstappen's still there, he's gonna be a number two. Whether they're gonna, I don't know, you're gonna label that or not. But obviously, it's kind of one of those things that personally I don't know how Perez kept this seat or got a deal extension. Um, Obviously this year's car is harder than the last few's, so I can see where it'd be a struggle. But when he's who knows how far behind Verstappen right now, it's one of those things that you can't be in one of the best cars and underperforming, not making into um, Q3s even. Yeah, he's eighth in the standings right now with 144 points, and his teammate is first with 331. He's almost 200 points behind his teammate, and he is losing to Piastri by what 96 or something like that, 98. So for him, I'm honestly surprised that he kept this seat. I don't know how he got an extension, and I think I'm correct in the rest of the world with that opinion of it. But if they go out and get somebody like Piastri, it's going to be one of those things that for him, why would you do it? You're going to be taken second for strategy, and who knows? But in the comments below, I want to hear from you guys. One, do you watch F1? Two, do you care about this? Who's your favorite driver? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me if you think this is real, even or whatever. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.